Top 50 highest paid presidents in Africa.
So number 1, we have Abdelmadjid Tebboune of Algeria. He earns 168,000. Number 2, we have João Lourenço of Angola. He earns 17,824. Number 3, we have Patrice Talon of the Republic of Benin. He earns 29,800. Number 4, we have Duma Boko of Botswana. He earns 77,223. Number 5, we have Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso. He earns $10,000. Number 6, we have Evariste Ndonishimia of Burundi. He earns $37,400. Number 7, we have Jose Maria of Cape Verde. He earns 20,380. Number 8, we have Paul Biya, the president of Cameroon. He earns $620,976,000. Number 9, we have Faustin Archange, the tournament of car. He earns 42,524. Number 10, we have Mahamat Debi of Chad. He earns 16,640. Number 11, we have Azali Assoman of Comoros. He earns 117,000. Number 12, we have Felix Tshisekedi of the DR Congo. He earns $51,500. Number 13, we have Denis Sassou Nguesso, Republic of Congo. He earns $108,400. Number 14, we have Alassane Ouattara from Ivory Coast. He earns $100,000. Number 15, we have Ismail Omar, and his salary is not revealed, but I will come back with his salary. Number 16, we have Abdel Fattah of Egypt. He earns $70,000. Number 17, we have Theodore Obiang of Equatorial Guinea. He earns $152,000. Number 18, we have Isaac Afquet of Eritrea. He earns $6,000, and this one is unbelievable. Number 19, we have King Moswati III of Eswatini. He earns 56 million 0,51,336. Number 20, we have Satle Wek Zwade of Ethiopia. He earns $45,200. Number 21, we have General Brice Oligui Nguema of Gabon. He earns $65,000. Number 22, we have Adam Barrow of Gambia. He earns $65,000. Number 23, Nana Akufo-Addo of Ghana. He earns $76,000. 24, we have Mamadi Doumbouya of Guinea. He earns $22,400. Number 25, we have Omro Sissoco Embalo of Guinea-Bissau. He earns $7,600. Number 26, we have William Ruto of Kenya. He earns 192,200,000 US dollar. Number 27, we have King Letsi III of Lesotho. He earns 500,000 US dollar. Number 28, we have Joseph Bakai of Libya. He earns 90,000 US dollar. 29, we have Muhammad Al-Mefi of Libya. He earns 105 US dollar. Number 30, we have Andrew Rogelian of Madagascar. His salary is not disclosed, but we will come back with it. Number 31, President Lazarus Chakwera of Malawi. He earns 68,400 US dollar. Number 32, we have Assimi Goita of Mali. He earns 400,000. Number 32, we have Muhammad Oud Kozolami of Mauritius. He earns 400,000 US dollar. Number 34, we have Privilege Gon Ropan of Mauritius. He earns 91,536. King Mohammed IV of Morocco. He earns 488,604,000. Number 36, we have Daniel Chapo of Mozambique. He earns 46,800 US dollar. Nangolo Mbumba of Namibia on number 37. He earns 99,500 US dollar. And number 38, we have Bola Ahmed Tinubu of Nigeria. He earns 69,000 US dollar. 39, we have Paul Kagame of Rwanda. He earns 85,000 US dollar. On number 40, we have Carlos Manuel Villanueva of Sottom and Principe. He earns 2,930. This is unbelievable. On 41, we have Besua Dimango Faye of Senegal. His salary is not reviewed, but we'll come back with it. 42, Wavel Aram Kalam of Seychelles. He earns 23,700 US dollar. 43, we have Julius Madabo of Sierra Leone. He earns 12,200 US dollar. 44, we have Hassan Sheikh Mohammed of Somalia. He earns 120,000. 45, we have Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa. He earns 223,500 US dollar. Number 46, we have Salva Kiir Mayardit of South Sudan. He earns 60,000 US dollar. 47, we have Abdel Fattah of Brunei of Sudan. He earns something like 77,000 US dollar. Number 48, we have Somia Suluhu Hassan of Tanzania. He earns 40,000 US dollar. Number 49, we have Faure Krasimbe of Togo. He earns 242,000 US dollar. Number 50, we have Kais Said of Tunisia. He earns 162,000. Number 51, we have Yoweri Museveni of Uganda. He earns 183,216,000 US dollar. Number 52, we have Hakainde Hichilema of Zambia. He earns 63,100 US dollar. But the rumor said, Hakainde Hichilema said he doesn't want to take the salary because he have got enough money from his businesses. I don't know how true is that, but if you are from Zambia, I think you can tell us better about that one, but I'll come back with the update on that one. Number 53, we have Emerson Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe. He earns 146,500. That's Emmerson Mnangagwa from Zimbabwe. So this is the money that these guys are earning per annum. I think I'm done with it. So if you want more videos like this, please kindly like this video first, share this video, tell me what you think in the comment section, so that tomorrow I'll give you something like this.